Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume of music when you're playing Steam games. So just go up to Steam right here and go to Settings. And there is a tab specifically for music now. And we can go to here, and we have this music slider. So if this doesn't do anything, we can go down to the bottom right and go to the speaker. And hit this little button right here. And we have access to the entire audio mixer now. So let's just go to this and scroll on down. And you can see the volume mixer and just locate your music app, whatever you're using. It could be your web browser, and you can just increase the sound of it or decrease the sound of other things. So I could decrease the sound of Steam or my game and just leave the music volume really high. So just look at that as an option, or look at the Steam settings under here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.